Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 supercharged. We're going to fix the center console, the little armrest lid that sits in the middle of the two seats. It's loose and baggy, as you can see. We're going to take it apart and we're going to tighten that up and reposition the material and make it real tight, skin tight like it should be. So stay tuned, and you can take a look at our other upholstery videos. We do complete auto upholstery, seat repairs, headliners, auto glass. Been in business at this location for 70 years. So please feel free to give us a call. We'd be glad to talk to you. Our phone number is 713-771-5759, and we'll talk to y'all in the next video. Okay everybody, we're back with the 16 Chevrolet Corvette. Center console completely repaired and tightened. Absolutely stunning car, beautiful job. Got the console to lay down flat. If you guys have any upholstery questions, comments, you want to know if something can be repaired, leave it in the comments section below. We'll have another upholstery video for you soon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and we'll talk to y'all in the next one.